Today we're talking about a dive watch that's already sparking debate among watch enthusiasts. The new Serica Ref 5330 Dive Chronometer introduces something the brand has always avoided, a date window. For some collectors, that's a big deal. So the real question is, should a dive watch actually have a date? Let's take a closer look. Among watch purists, there's a long-running debate. Many argue that a true tool dive watch should never include a date. After all, when you're 40 meters underwater, the date isn't exactly your top priority. But the reality is different. Most dive watches today spend far more time in offices than in oceans, earning the nickname desk divers. And that's exactly where the Serica Ref 5330 comes in. It brings everyday practicality to a serious dive watch. The new model keeps the same solid foundation as the popular Serica Ref 5303 Dive Chronometer, which remains in the collection for those who still prefer a no-date dial. The case measures 39mm diameter, 12mm thickness, 46.5mm lug-to-lug. It's made from stainless steel with mostly brushed surfaces, accented by polished chamfers on the twisted lugs. The build quality is classic dive watch territory: screw-down crown, solid steel caseback, thick double-domed sapphire crystal, 300 meters of water resistance. In short, this watch is still every bit a serious diver. One noticeable update is the bezel. The unidirectional 120-click bezel now features a dual-scale design with a new anthracite gray ceramic insert that has a slightly faded vintage look. And according to many early impressions, the bezel action is incredibly smooth, precise, but almost buttery when rotating. It's the kind of tactile detail that enthusiasts really appreciate. Now let's talk about the big change, the date window at 3 o'clock. But Serica didn't just cut a hole into the dial and call it a day. The minute track has been recentered to maintain visual balance and readability. You still get all the signature Serica elements: lollipop-style hour markers, broad arrow hands, matte black dial, cream-toned superluminova, and the date itself adds a small splash of color with red numerals on a white disc. Inside the watch is the SoProd M100 automatic motor. It's a reliable Swiss caliber that runs at 4 Hz and delivers about 42 hours of power reserve. Even better, it's COSC certified, meaning it meets official chronometer standards for accuracy. So this isn't just a stylish diver, it's also a precision instrument. The watch comes on Serica's Vesper stainless steel bracelet, known for its comfortable flat mesh design. You also get a white and red elastic nylon strap, adding a more sporty option. The price comes in at about €1,690, or around $1,990. So here's the real question. Does the date make this dive watch better, or does it break the purity of the design? Either way, the Serica Ref 5330 proves that even a small feature like a date window can start a big conversation in the watch world. And honestly, that's part of the fun.